What's the deal, y'all, on this sunny day? We about to I'm about to put this, hold on, damn, sun here, you know what I'm saying? My lights can't face. Nah, but I'm about to put this trunnion kit in this G8. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. All right, so we back at the car. I'm not sure what you need for this besides a 10 and a damn 8 and some zip ties. So I'm gonna start by taking all the coil packs off. I'm gonna just pop each of these plugs off and move them out the way. Then we're gonna take the cover off. So it's, in my shit, it's only 2 10s holding it on. It's a 10 right here, and it's a 10 in the back. Take both of them 10s off, same thing on the other side. Take the coil packs off. All right, y'all already know what the deal is. Get y'all 8 and these 4 bolts right here.
Pop them 4 bolts off. And then once you pop them 4 bolts off, the valve cover don't come right off. Damn, that was tight.
Should be off. Boop. Take it off. Boop. That's off. Okay, cool. Now you got your rockers. You got your rockers and your valve springs. So you need to take these rockers out. So the same thing with the rockers. You loosen them. These are the 8s. Just loosen all 8 of them. And then I grab the whole tray in one piece. So grab the whole tray as one and pop it right out. Boop, got them all. Take them all out as one. I'm gonna set it right there for now. And since this is a G8 motor, you got curve, straight, curve, straight, curve, straight, curve, straight. Do the same thing with the other side. And then you should be good as far as taking them out the car. Everything out. Y'all gonna need this press. I'm gonna show y'all how to use it. Okay.
Hellcat Wranglers on the block, you feel what I'm saying?
You couldn't hit the gas for me?
Huh?
So you couldn't hit the gas for me? You ain't got no supercharger on there?
No, I got a supercharger.
Dog, that nigga was making me mad as hell though. I'm probably gonna put some of that shit on the vlog too. I gotta send you that shit still. I know I'm about to figure it out because your phone ass. I know, I'm about to get a new one for real. Bro, it's like this one don't even be lined up. Shit. Throw this shit in the trash.
So what's all this little shit right here? You don't need none of
them off the bearing. It's like roller bearings.
So where do all of this go?
See how it's supposed to be? They supposed to be inside of here like this.
Where do all of these go?
What you mean?
Like what part of the car?
They go in these rockers, so these go on top of your springs and shit.
Oh.
I'm about to show you. See how these ones like half? Like how these bitches are half? These ones full. These turn all the way around.
Yeah.
These ones break. Shit. You holding it like you trying to be a professional or something. All right, when you press these bitches in, this side got letters on them. That side gotta always stick out. Put them bitches in. Set in there. Push it in. Set it in there. Put this washer on the back side. To another one. The letters face outwards. Line it up. And now they pushed in. This last part is basically self-explanatory. You got the snap rings. All you do is, you know, hold up. Oops. You got the snap ring pliers. All you doing, oh shit. All you doing is putting the two holes in there, squeezing. Excuse me. Squeezing, squeeze it, open it up, set it on there in the little groove, and let it go. That's literally it. And then you can go over them, check all of them. Yeah, should be good. You can go put them back in the car. All right, we losing daylight, so I gotta explain this quick to y'all. Okay, cool. So they go in the order. They're only two different kinds. You got a curved one. That one goes in first. Like when you're looking at it this way, driver's side, front of the car, driver's side, front of the car. First one is curved. And then it's straight. And then it's curved. And so on and so on. You're gonna make sure that the bolt holes are flat on top. So you see how this one right here is not flat on top. You gotta make sure, spin it around until it gets flat on top. Can't even do it. You get the point. Do that, get them all on there. Put your new bolts. Your new bolts come in the bag that's in my pocket. Put your new bolts. Put them in there like that. The Allen key, I think the size is, let me get the size for y'all. Size is HW6. Yeah, I'm about to put them in there. I'll show y'all. It's supposed to be torque down, so set your torque wrench to 22 foot-pounds. You probably can't even see, but it's at 23. Put it at 22 foot-pounds, and yeah, that's it. All right, we done ran out of light, but I got all of them tightened in. I used a little drill, electric ratchet to tighten them on. They all centered in the center of the springs. I torqued them all down in a pattern of, I want to say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, all the way across. Tightened them down, then I went back, torqued them down, all 22 foot-pounds. Did both sides. Now I just got to put the valve covers back on. I'm gonna put the valve covers on, sit the coil packs on there, plug them back up, and then I'm gonna do a little startup right quick, make sure everything sound good, and we good. Man, I figured my car was running a little off, and I didn't double check everything. And the person that I had helping me with my motor broke an injector wire. So that's why my car probably been riding shitty, because of the fucking injector wire. So now, tomorrow, I'm gonna fix this. I'll fix that wire tomorrow. Your fucking lights on.
I don't have no drugs, officer.
Stupid, man. All right, so I got all the coil packs on, plugged up. I put the prongs for the connector for the injector. I put them on there. Put a zip tie so they're not touching, just to start it up. I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. So we're gonna do a start on it and see what we got going on. Let's start it. Can't even get past. See what we got going on. Everything sounds good. Got a little bit of oil. Get the oil burning off. right, y'all. So that's it for the video for now. We'll get back with y'all with another one. Probably tomorrow when I go get it tuned and everything. It's ready to go.
That nigga just got dropped in the grass, damn, who shot you? Bitch, I keep a 9 on me, equal dollar. Yeah, I'd rather get caught, ride with it than without it. Cause if I ain't got it on me, then it's a problem.